2000 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. Look at that. What we got done on it, something a little different. Factory converter, there. Why is it a single? Then we put on it a Flow FX muffler this time, not the resonator type. Part number 72198. There will be a link in the description. Flowmaster, Flow FX. Single in, dual out, all the way back. It's 3-inch in, 2.5 outlets. Then we did 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side, as you guys can see, there over the rear axle. And then some 3.5-inch angle cut tips out the back, there and there to complete the look. Came out absolutely magnificent. Look at that. Sexy. And there's the old exhaust. It's seen better days, as you guys can see. Right there and right there. There's the tailpipes, everything. It's just rotted out. So we freshened up the old gal. All right, guys, we got a 2000 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter extended cab. Let me show you guys what we've done. Cat's right there. Cat's right there. Then we cut it there. Took the white pipe. There's usually white pipe and single all the way back. We cut that off and true dualed it all the way back into 3.5-inch angle cut tips on each side. There and there. There it is. Nice and done. Came out really clean and really nice. There's the white pipe that was on it, the mid pipe, and the muffler. We cut all that off and true dualed it for them. They wanted it loud, so what do? We're going to make it loud. Right? Yes, the best. This is their 4th car that they bring to us, so we truck. We really appreciate them bringing it down. There it is. Much better. It sounds so much better. Here's sound decibels. Flowmaster Flow FX 96. Again, on the sound decibels. Again. I like them out the sides. It looks a lot cleaner. Flowmaster Flow FX. What do you guys think? Like or dislike? I like it. It's clean. You coming back to us, man, is more than I need. You know, that's what I'm saying. Go ahead. Much better. Look at them. They can't even look at it. They're so happy. Go ahead. Much better. They're happy. They're in their 60s, guys. They don't even look it. He looks like he's 50. He looks like he's 55. He looks a little older because of the beard. I'm not. I like the flexing. Go ahead. Yeah, it's much better. Your sound decibels, go ahead. 107. Much better. Go ahead and back it out. Hey, it's awesome. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Always be cool like these guys. The older you get, the more cool you become. Did you hear what he said? Say it again.
If you need buffer work, come here.
Thank you.
Hey, number one. Yeah.
You're the man.
Hey, you
yes, sir. Appreciate it, guys. Enjoy it.
Hey,
go ahead. Oh, it's so much better. All right, guys. GMC Sierra 5.3. You like it? All right. Get on it when you leave. Get a Flowmaster Flow FX dudes. Listen to that beast. All right, beast mode. Enjoy, guys. Super cool guys, man. That's how everybody should be. Just enjoying life one day at a time. So it's a GMC Sierra, true dualed, 2 1/4 all the way back into 3.5 inches. Let's go, Beast Mode! That was awesome. Enjoy, guys.